Hi all, it's Tammy with Wings of Love Treasures, and I'm back with another video on my auction wins. So the first video about auction wins, I did Thelma Thrift, and Makeup Zombie. And today we're going to go over Hip Flippin' Mama, Kelly, and she has auctions on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and Just Sandi, and she has auctions on Friday night. And some things that I got on auction with Goodwill.com. So let's start with Sandi, the things I got with her, because the stuff I got with Hip Flippin' Mama is a lot. So I wanted to show you the necklace that I got from Makeup Zombie. I couldn't figure it out in the last video. I figured it out. So this goes on the side, and these go in the front. It's pretty. I like it. It's really cool looking. What do they call that? Festooned? I don't know if that's considered festooned. Okay, this is some things I got on Sandi, Just Sandi's auctions. These are pretty. I liked these. These are earrings and a pendant. It's a set. That's sterling silver. Sorry, sterling silver. And I'm not sure what stone that was. I forget what she said. It's not emeralds. I'll have to test it and see what she said they were, but aren't they pretty? Here's the earrings, and this is the pendant. Very nice. Okay, and then I also got my granddaughter a little bracelet. Look how cute. I can have her initials engraved there. Look how little it is. Now, she's little still, so I'll save that for her later when she gets a little bit bigger and can wear it, because I think it's still going to be too big. And then I got this beautiful amber pendant from Sandi. Oh, look how pretty that is. It just sparkles. Beautiful. You see the back of it? So funny how it looks like plastic and feels like plastic. I just loved it. I had to have it. And the chain is very nice and long. Be great to go with a sweater. So I really liked that. Got that one. And then I have to show you the rings. This is turquoise ring that she made. Sandi made this. And you'll see her mark on the back. Sterling silver and turquoise. I love that one. And then this one is Mediterranean turquoise. She made that one too. And I just happened to win it. I was so excited. And then this one is amber and turquoise. She also made this one. Aren't they pretty? Now, these are mine. I won't be selling any of these for a while. I bought these for myself. So, got those. And that's all I got so far from her. There's some things coming, I do believe, but that probably won't be here for a little while. So then I got some things from, well, some things from Hip Flippin' Mama. So I got this beautiful stone that's coral and turquoise, and I think that's sodalite, and just really pretty, huh? Oh, and that's a leather cord. I really liked it. And then I got this beautiful blue topaz ring. Isn't that pretty? This one I got from Goodwill. That's right. I did get this one from Goodwill. Yeah. But isn't that gorgeous? I just loved it. I had to have it. Okay. This one I got from Hip Flippin' Mama. This one is beautiful. Amethyst, marcasites. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. So I got that from Kelly. And then look at all this. unbelievable, the stuff I get from her. She has really good prices. This is onyx. Very big bale. And I got these. I forget what's on these. Some of these are for my granddaughter. They're very dainty. These are little birds. Look how cute. And she loves little birds. She has bird feeders all over her yard. So I'll save that for her. And then we got, should have probably taken them out of the bag before I started this. They're all in bags. Because that's how Kelly rolls. And this is a double necklace with a heart and a cross. Cute. This one's a little longer. And then this one is sterling silver with 2 hearts. And this one. This one says, I love you. And I'll save that for her. Oh, it goes this way. I always have them backwards. I love you. I like this one. The chain's so delicate. So I got those. And now I got these cute earrings. Sterling silver. They're just little hoops. Sterling silver hoops. Okay, that was in that box. Let's see what's in this one. I forget, I haven't opened them in so long to even, I just checked that they were here. This one is for charm bracelets. This is a bracelet, curb chain charm bracelet for charms. And then this is a heart amethyst. Really pretty heart amethyst. I think this is a 16-inch chain. Yeah. Look at the work up there. It's really pretty. See the back? Okay, we have that one. And then, oh, I got 2 rings from her. That is a turquoise, sterling silver. And then another turquoise, sterling silver. It's plainer. Both very pretty. Okay, what's in this box? Oh yeah, I got another turquoise ring. Sterling silver. This is a beautiful mother of pearl bracelet. Sterling silver that I got from her. And this is sodalite on a silk string. Little dangles, sterling silver, waves, little beach necklace. It's cute. And then this is a pendant. That's turquoise. Let's see. Dump these out. Oh, I had to have these. So she was having a sale, and I got all these little earrings for $5, I think. But I had to have these little peace signs. Aren't they cute? They're a lot sparkly. They're more sparkly than they look in the camera. They have a lot of sparkle to them. A lot. So, and then these are little crystal earrings. Very cute. They're really pretty little AB crystal earrings. And these are onyx. These are pretty, little marcasite and onyx posts. And then, oh, I loved these. These are onyx marcasite sterling. Yeah. Hearts. I liked those a lot. Reminds me of Art Deco. Period. And then I got this chain. And it's very sparkly. You can wear it without a pendant. Oh yeah, it's a chain and a bracelet. So this is the bracelet. And then here's the chain. That's right. I forgot. I got both. See, I can't remember what I bought. Just too much stuff. Okay. Put that over here. And then see what's in this box. Oh yeah, Egyptian necklace with a pendant. This is pretty. Sterling silver, quite heavy. And it's probably a 16-inch chain. Yeah, that's nice. And then these are earrings. Let's see. No, this is a pendant too. Oh yeah, I forgot about this one. So this is a beautiful amethyst and peridot pendant. And she put it on a chain, box chain, 16 inches. But look at this bail. You can put it on whatever. So pretty. And then got another necklace. Now this one you could put a initial in the middle because it is just a circle. You could put an initial right there on a box chain. Okay, so we have those. Let's open this one. A couple of things in here. I believe this is a bracelet. Yeah, sterling silver, pink crystals bracelet. It's cute. It's very pretty. Very pretty. And then I got a cross, abalone cross with a box chain. It's so pretty. That bail is pretty big too. I believe this is 16 inches. And then I got these earrings to go with that necklace. These will all be going up in the next 2 weeks. I'll be working like crazy. That's also abalone earrings. And then I got 2 rings. I believe these are both turquoise. Yeah, so this is turquoise with mother of pearl. Cute. And this is just plain turquoise sterling silver. She packs so well. She puts everything in bags and then everything in a box and then everything's wrapped. This one's cute too. Little sterling silver ring. I don't know what the sizes are. That one's pretty small. Okay, and then we have one more box. And this is the big box with all the bigger stuff in it. This is a peridot cross. Sterling silver. That one's pretty. With a big bail also on it. And then I'll show you that one last. And then this is amethyst. It's really, really dark, so I don't know if you can see it, but the amethyst is super dark, but it is purple. Yeah, I thought that was really pretty. And that is good size pendant. Okay, and then I got a bracelet. This is sterling silver bangle. It's really pretty. I think I got 2 of these. Let's see. Yeah, here's the other one. And this one has a safety clasp. The other one didn't. It doesn't even have a spot for a safety clasp. So that one's really pretty. And then I have some earrings. These are also abalone. Well, I can't get these opened. There we go. Abalone. Oh, the bags everywhere. These are teeny tiny ones. I really like these. The color's not showing up real good. But those are real pretty. Here's the other one. There, that one's showing up better. So those are cute. And then I got another ring. Of course, it is turquoise. Because I love me some turquoise. Little sterling silver ring. That would be cute for someone, a young girl, or someone with very tiny hands. I don't have tiny hands. And then I got these. And these earrings are broken, but I wanted them anyway. I have to get a back put on them. The back broke off. And she wasn't going to sell them. And I wanted them. So she sold them to me, and I told her to get the backs fixed. These are Zuni. And there is a marking. Let me see if it's on this one. No. I have to look for it. It is on here. Oh, I think it's down there, but I can't read it. Let me look real quick. No, I can't see it. I have it written down. But they're just so pretty. I had to have them. I'm going to have them fixed, and I'm going to wear them for a while and then maybe put them up for sale. So that's it, though. Oh, no, I have this one. I got a lot of stuff, and I'm going to have a lot of work ahead of me to put things up on Etsy, eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. This is silver. I love these necklaces. But I'm not going to keep this one. I'm going to put this one up. I love that one. So I just wanted to show you some things that I got from the auctions. And they're so much fun. You should go check them out and see what's up over there, those channels. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I have more videos. And hit the thumbs up. It helps me grow my channel. I really appreciate it. And have a great evening. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.